told me the same thing, said you never felt this way. Then we became a title, and we still talk forever. Hate to be alone, cause we know what we came for. Oh, we came for love.
But even if the one stay on, like,
yeah, it makes me stand out more.
then you can at least have the little dim ones on.
Okay. Alright.
It's like, you ready to go all out with this, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm ready. I don't know what primer I should use anymore.
She got all the makeup picked out that she about to use. Move what back? We are back. Oh my god. So today she's about to do a makeup challenge on me. I'm allowing her, I'm fully allowing her. I'm not gonna act like I'm against it. I feel like it would be fun. Yes, I like females. This is my bae right here, my wifey. So please don't think otherwise, just because of what's about to happen. But anyways, I know that this makeup stuff takes long, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. Let's see what you got. Let's see what she does to me. It's about to be a whole makeover, bro.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I think I'm gonna start with eyebrows.
After this is all over with, I want y'all to rate how good she did or how bad she did in the comments below. But I think you'll do good. You're good at you do good at makeup when you do it on yourself.
People are gonna be dogging me.
No, they won't. If anybody dogs her, I'm dogging y'all. It's like,
Just relax, okay?
mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna kind of feel.
It's not even recording. No, I'm joking. Just want to see my eyebrow real quick.
Here, look at it. Does that still look natural? It looks the same.
Hey, it looks
almost.
natural.
Okay.
Did you do anything?
Yeah. Okay.
What are them guys that dress up like females?
Drag
like,
queens?
Yeah. I feel like they're gonna be like, yo, you should be a drag queen for real. I feel like you're about to make me look like a straight female. My eyes is green too, so she was trying to find like the right color to use with like my eyes being green, so.
Alright, next we're gonna start on your face. Okay?
Yeah.
How do you want to do this? Do you want to move this up a little bit?
Yeah.
Or do you just want me to
Yeah,
expose your forehead, baby?
I got a big forehead, huh?
You want to make fun of my forehead? Expose your
Yo,
head.
look at her forehead, yo. Look at that. You ready?
Is hydrating booster drops. Put on before.
Don't let that, don't let it.
Is it gold?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Stop making weird faces.
Bro, you're gonna put it on my lips. Don't put it on my lips.
It's fine. Relax. It'll dry and it'll get kind of sticky. Feeling?
Sticky? Why? It makes the makeup stick or
Yeah.
something more? I look like a fucking rubber.
Fucking rubber.
I look like a fucking rubber.
Do you like your eyebrows?
Yeah. Wow.
They don't
Yo.
look much different.
Wow. I already have. I feel like I got good eyebrows.
You do. You have full eyebrows.
I feel like I got good eyebrows.
And they're thick.
And they thick. Like my baby. Hey.
I'll wait to put the next thing on until this kind of dry.
Oh, I got you.
That's good. Now feel it. It feels sticky.
Hold on, baby. Yo, she's doing so good.
Okay. Now we're gonna put on
Pour.
primer.
Okay.
Primer.
Primer. Is that what makes my face white?
No.
Oh.
It's gonna make your pores go away.
Wow, I love when my pores go away, I swear. Nothing but rich people over this way. You get it? I like when my pores go away, nothing but rich people over this way.
No, I don't get it.
I mean, I really tried on that, dude. No, Okay. Still looks the same, nothing crazy different.
Okay, now we're going in with the foundation. So this is when it gets.
Foundation, okay, this is when it gets.
I really hope this matches your skin tone.
When it gets juicy. Actually, I think it will.
Put it on. It looks light.
You ready?
Look how dark it is compared to me. Look at that.
Dark compared to you, and it's gonna be. Nah, I think it.
That actually matches pretty good.
Look at that. Look at that.
I just started the foundation.
That's okay. I still want to see to think that they're a lot darker than they are.
A lot darker than they are.
Yeah, like everybody always goes too dark instead of too light. That's usually how it works.
Make sure you
Yeah, I don't want no necklines.
Look what I bought.
No necklines.
No. It's hemp.
Yeah. It was like $3 at Ollie's, and I was like, I need to try this, and all I could think of was you.
Here. Just so you know we're recording, so just, yeah.
Okay.
Well, I'm not telling you, dummy.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You gonna make my nose slimmer?
I'm gonna try.
You can only do so much while you're working on
Hold the camera, baby.
Damn, what the fuck?
I feel like I should do another thin layer because it's not like full coverage. I should.
Did you have to cover that tattoo some? Did you?
A little bit.
Oh.
He's gonna be
This is my
glowing.
This is my concealer. So.
Oh god.
Just leave it. I don't want to cover up any like dark spots.
You're about to have so much fun.
Can you turn your face like facing this way, facing
Yeah.
the camera?
All
This
of it.
way. Just so I can see back.
What the fuck?
This is fantastic.
It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. We're gonna make it work, okay?
This is Chloe's roommate slash friend.
Slash friends.
Like-
No, we just live together.
Okay.
Not a fan.
So now I'm gonna take this
Yeah,
setting
no.
powder.
Please stop touching your nose, you freaking weirdo.
I want to look skinnier.
She's
Come on,
not
girl,
there
make me
yet.
look right. It's like
She hasn't contoured yet. Like, calm down, all right?
Okay.
the ones that we watched on YouTube. Huh?
I'm taking this baking powder and I'm gonna bake.
My face.
Or I guess this setting powder, not bake. Can you look up
So
with your
you're-
eye open? This might make it even wider.
Oh, yeah.
Wipe off all that excess powder.
Have to.
Do it.
It's
Like
just
just
gonna
talking
take
like-
two
Yeah.
seconds. Yeah.
Where's his cheekbones?
What?
No, just like, you can feel his cheekbone. Yeah.
Make
I'm gonna
sure it's even on both
Mess up
sides.
everything else on his face, but the contour is gonna be great. Dope, and he thinks that he knows everything.
Where's his dog you on your own video?
How upset are you gonna be if your nose doesn't turn out the way you want it to?
Right? Like,
I thought this was gonna be my solution.
I could just put that on every day. Maybe you made it look even bigger.
Does it look like camera? Does that look thinner to you?
I know.
I don't know.
Dying.
So next is blush.
Pink. Oh my
Well,
teeth.
that's what she has.
You wanna read? You wanna read what it's called?
Celebrated.
Okay. What? Okay.
Using the rest of it over there.
Holy.
You put too much.
I'll blend it out.
Camera, like,
I feel like this is too light for him. It's okay. Okay.
I'm promising you, I can see that.
So you think I was really going to Walmart?
We are.
You really
We
thought I was
are.
going
What
to
do you think
Walmart?
they would want to see?
It don't matter.
They want to see you go on. I'm talking to you. I need to concentrate.
I'm gonna go to my dad's.
Look at me.
What's up, Dad?
You're literally like trying to look at the camera
Yeah,
while I'm trying to do your makeup.
Yeah, she's getting mad. It's like, okay.
Okay.
Make my eyes pop.
I'm not gonna do your brow bone.
Mmm.
Look at me.
The curling iron.
Curling iron.
And they'll just go back to normal as soon as I wipe this shit.
Yes.
Because they ain't gonna, okay.
Okay, after I curl this, I'm gonna put this mascara on, okay? Can you keep your eye open and just blink? Blink. Blink. You're doing good.
Oh, don't say I'm doing good.
Don't squint your eyes either, you'll get it all over your face.
He's like, oh, she's gonna hit me. Let me keep doing it.
Just look.
No. No.
Okay, I feel like I should
I
stop.
know, I gotta make sure it's still recording. It
It
can only
is
record up to
recording.
14.
I can tell you.
You didn't tell me last time and it stopped recording half of it.
Oh shit.
Do you want to here? You want me to stop it now and re-go?
Yeah.
Don't look at it.
It only goes up to 14 minutes and
There. Okay. Don't look at the camera.
I'm not.
You look
I'm not.
tempted. You're looking down. At the
I'm like shaky.
He looks like a dog that just got yelled at.
Okay.
Like he's pouting. Stop!
I looked outside. It's beautiful.
He's a liar.
You're making this not fun.
You're making this not fun. So.
I'm leaving. I'm tired of fighting. I'm out.
What else you have to do? That's weird.
Okay, can we do like a montage of your makeup where you just like do dramatic poses? And all
I'm
this?
not. No, that's not gonna happen.
How do you take this off? Okay, it's not focusing. Oh, there you okay. Now, close your eye. Do like a dramatic blink.
No, no.
Wow, look at your eyes. Okay,
Wait. Close your eyes and let her like get in close on him and just open them.
here, baby.
And then do like a slow-mo on it.
Yeah.
She
Yeah.
said
No,
yeah.
I'm serious. Like close your eyes. Open them slowly. Open them slowly.
How do you feel?
I'm not gonna say that word. I'm not.
That word.
I'm not gonna say that word. Oh, so you think anybody just like no?
Do you feel pretty?
So if you can rate it, 1
Do
to
you feel
10.
like a bad bitch?
I do feel like a bad bitch. I just need a wig.
Okay, wait. 1 to 10?
What do you rate it, 1 through 10? What do you guys rate it, 1 through 10?
I'm gonna give it a 9 because that highlight is not for you.
That highlight is.
That highlight's for a very, very pasty white girl.
That's me.
You want me to rate it? I'll rate it 7.5 out of 10.
7.5. Why? I need to fix your lips. I need to. You have like foundation.
That could look
on.
better.
Should I put lipstick on you?
No.
No, just for the fun of it.
You look real bad with winged eyeliner, but
He'd look bad as fuck with eyeliner.
winged eyeliner and a bold lip color. I'm telling you, matte.
Yeah. Like
Oh
that.
yeah.
Yeah, look at y'all. Just, I don't know. I'm like, oh, okay.
You should grow tougher skin.
I can't. She did too much stuff in my face for it to be like, it's soft right now.
Did it get exfoliated?
Yeah.
We did exfoliate it. Squint your
I
face.
don't want to be in
Just close your eyes lightly.
Wow, you're glowing.
Want it dry?
Yes, honey.
We should go outside. Okay. Do the best like walk you can.
Best walk I can.
Best walk. Okay. Ready.
You ready?
Amber. Come on. Get out here. Work. Oh, girl.
Girls' night out. Girls' night out. Yes, we might go to the club. Let us know. What do you rate her? What do you rate her for doing this to me, y'all?
I need like a good shot.
I gotta do like a
shots. So I want to go outside and do.
No, I'm not doing that.
Okay.
What's up, nigga? It's like, you know?
It's impossible to get us both in the frame if we're just standing.
Go to Wendy's and be like, just picking something up to drive them, like, what do you rate this?
That's what.
What the fuck do you rate this? Okay, listen, I feel weird.
You feel weird?
I just feel weird.
I think you like it.
I feel weird. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. It's different. I mean, it's different, you know. I'm not against it. It's like, okay. You just finished the term.
I want you to do a little something on the pole.
No, babe.
Please.
That's not gonna
Come
happen.
on.